Imagine a battle of cosmic proportions. Two galaxies separated by vast distances, locked in a gravitational struggle. This is the story of Andromeda and Alcyoneus, a hypothetical showdown for the ages. Andromeda, our galactic neighbor, is a spiral galaxy of staggering size and beauty. It spans over 200,000 light-years across and contains trillions of stars. Andromeda's most defining feature is its bright core, a region teeming with stellar nurseries and intense star formation. This galactic giant is on a collision course with our own Milky Way, destined to merge billions of years from now. In the distant reaches of the cosmos lies Alcyoneus, a radio galaxy that dwarfs even Andromeda in size. Alcyoneus is a true behemoth, stretching over an astounding 16 million light-years across. Its most striking feature is its massive radio lobes, jets of energetic particles spewing from its central supermassive black hole. These lobes extend far beyond the galaxy's visible structure, making Alcyoneus a true giant of the radio sky. Section 4. Clash of the Titans, a hypothetical showdown. Imagine a cosmic battlefield where two colossal galaxies, Andromeda and Alcyoneus, are on a collision course. This is not just a simple encounter, it's a grand spectacle of astronomical proportions. In this hypothetical battle, Andromeda and Alcyoneus would bring unique strengths. Each galaxy, with its own set of characteristics, would contribute to an epic showdown that could reshape the cosmos. Andromeda's massive size and gravitational pull would make it a formidable opponent. Its sheer mass, consisting of billions of stars, planets, and cosmic dust, creates a gravitational force that can influence objects millions of light-years away. Its spiral arms, rich with gas and dust, would fuel intense star formation, potentially giving it an edge in replenishing its forces. These regions of star formation are like cosmic nurseries, continuously birthing new stars that add to Andromeda's might. Alcyoneus, on the other hand, would rely on its powerful radio jets. These jets are not just streams of particles. They are colossal beams of energy that can travel across vast distances in space. These jets, fueled by the supermassive black hole at its center, could blast through Andromeda's defenses, disrupting star formation and potentially even tearing apart its structure. The supermassive black hole at the heart of Alcyoneus is a force to be reckoned with, capable of unleashing energy that can alter the very fabric of a galaxy. The black hole's accretion disk, a swirling mass of gas and dust, feeds the jets, making them even more powerful. As the material spirals into the black hole, it heats up and emits radiation, adding to the destructive potential of the jets. When these two titans collide, the gravitational forces at play would be immense. Stars would be pulled and stretched, creating tidal forces that could rip apart entire star systems. The collision would also generate gravitational waves, rippling through the fabric of space-time. Dark matter, an invisible yet crucial component of galaxies, would also play a significant role. The dark matter halos surrounding each galaxy would interact, influencing the dynamics of the collision and the eventual merger of the two galaxies. The aftermath of such a collision would be a sight to behold. Over millions of years, the two galaxies would merge to form a new, larger galaxy. Stars and gas clouds would settle into new orbits, and new regions of star formation would emerge, giving birth to a new generation of stars. This new galaxy, born from the clash of Andromeda and Alcyoneus, would be vibrant with star formation, cosmic dust, and gas clouds. It would be a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe, a reminder of the incredible forces at work in the cosmos. In the grand scheme of the universe, such collisions are not uncommon. They are a natural part of the cosmic dance, a process that has been shaping galaxies for billions of years. Each collision, each merger, adds to the rich tapestry of the universe, creating new structures and new opportunities for star formation. Stay tuned for the next section, where we explore the mysteries of dark energy and its role in the expansion of the universe. Section 5. When Galaxies Collide, a dance of destruction and creation. In the vast expanse of the universe, galaxies are not static entities. They are constantly moving, driven by the gravitational forces that govern the cosmos. Occasionally, these colossal structures find themselves on a collision course, leading to one of the most awe-inspiring events in the universe. The outcome of such a clash would be a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. Galaxies rarely collide head-on. Instead, they engage in a gravitational dance, their structures warping and distorting as they pass near each other. This dance can last for millions of years, with each galaxy pulling and tugging on the other, creating tidal forces that stretch and compress their shapes. Instead, they engage in a gravitational dance, their structures warping and distorting as they pass near each other. The gravitational forces at play are immense, causing stars and other celestial bodies within the galaxies to shift and move in unpredictable ways. This interaction can lead to the formation of new structures, such as tidal tails and bridges of stars and gas connecting the two galaxies. Stars would be flung out into intergalactic space, becoming rogue stars that drift through the void between galaxies. These stars, no longer bound by the gravitational pull of their home galaxy, embark on a lonely journey through the cosmos. Some may eventually find a new home in another galaxy, while others will continue to wander the vast emptiness of space, while gas clouds would collide, triggering bursts of star formation. The collision of these gas clouds compresses the material within them, leading to the birth of new stars. These newly formed stars can create stunning nebulae, glowing brightly in a variety of colors. The process of star formation is a testament to the cycle of destruction and creation that defines the universe. The supermassive black holes at the heart of each galaxy would eventually merge, creating a single, even more massive black hole. This merger is a cataclysmic event, releasing gravitational waves that ripple through the fabric of space-time. The energy released during this process is beyond comprehension, capable of outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment. Releasing unimaginable amounts of energy, the merger of supermassive black holes is one of the most energetic events in the universe, producing a burst of radiation that can be detected across vast distances. Star formation, or even influencing the evolution of nearby galaxies. The dance of destruction and creation continues, shaping the cosmos in ways we're only beginning to understand. Section 6. Beyond the battle unveiling cosmic mysteries. This hypothetical battle highlights the immense scale and power of the universe. The study of galaxies like Andromeda and Alcyoneus helps us understand the fundamental forces that govern the cosmos. Their interactions, while destructive, also drive the evolution of galaxies, shaping the universe as we know it. Section 7. The universe awaits. In this chapter, we embark on a journey through the vast expanse of space, a realm filled with mysteries and wonders that have captivated humanity for centuries. The universe is filled with wonders beyond our imagination. From the swirling clouds of nebulae, where stars are born, to the distant galaxies that stretch the limits of our understanding, every corner of the cosmos holds secrets waiting to be discovered. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we will undoubtedly uncover even more awe-inspiring phenomena. The brave astronauts who venture into the unknown, the sophisticated spacecraft that journey to the far reaches of our solar system, and the powerful telescopes that peer into the depths of space all contribute to our ever-growing knowledge of the universe. The story of Andromeda and Alcyoneus is just one small chapter in the grand narrative of the universe. These cosmic giants, locked in a gravitational dance, remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Their interactions offer a glimpse into the future of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, which will one day collide with Andromeda. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos. Whether you're gazing at the night sky through a telescope, watching a meteor shower, or simply marveling at the beauty of the stars, remember that you are part of a vast and incredible universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your curiosity and enthusiasm drive the quest for knowledge and inspire others to join in the exploration of the cosmos. Together, we can uncover the secrets of the universe and celebrate the wonders that await us.